how to make this beautiful almond fruit and dip it so it comes out looking this amazing. We dip it twice, and here are all the steps to create this beautiful masterpiece. Let's make it together and enjoy this trompe-l'œil. As you can see, let's begin in the name of God. First, we're making something called a whipped ganache. White chocolate, and this white part is gelatin mass. Then I take fresh cream and add vanilla beans or powder, boil it, and then pour it over the chocolate. Then whisk it until it melts into a ganache. After that, I add an equal amount of cold cream. Why? To cool down the mixture while keeping it smooth, balanced, and helping it set quickly. Next, I take this mixture and cover it well. You must cover it with plastic wrap so it doesn't form a skin, then put it in the fridge. It needs 24 hours. It's impossible to do it sooner. Then I put it in the mixer and whisk it. Look, see how yellow it is right now? Once it turns white and the volume increases, I take it out. For every kilogram, I add 250 grams of almond praline or almond butter. You'll find all the ingredients and steps written out in the video description. I didn't list them all here so as not to distract you. So the whipped ganache sits in the fridge for a day. Whisk it, add the praline, and then the mold. I got this mold from Zealous. If you're interested, search for Zealous Mold on Instagram. They reply to everyone. They ship worldwide. Then I filled my mold, as you can see. You absolutely must coat the sides with a spoon because the mousse won't fill them on its own. Then I shake it and make sure it fills all the details and lines of the almond. Using the spoon to get the sides is a very important step. This technique. Next, I'll fill it with praline, pure praline. I already mixed some with the whipped ganache, but now I'm filling it with pure praline and adding a layer of caramel jacquard. It's absolutely beautiful. You'll see it all. We all know jacquard, of course. I'm filling it with praline, as you see. I took a layer of jacquard, topped it with caramel, then praline, and froze them. After that, I cut them into cubes and dipped them. All of these steps. Of course, if I showed every single step, this video would be about an hour and a half long. That's why I put the explanation and ingredients in the description box. I cover it like this, add a sheet, and freeze it. After 24 hours, I take it out and dip it in this mixture. Please pray for mercy for my mother and father.